Hey friends, welcome to FX Yogi. In today's video, let's learn about Bollinger Bands. Bollinger Bands, a technical indicator developed by John Bollinger, are used to measure a market's volatility and identify overbought or oversold conditions. Basically, this little tool tells us whether the market is quiet or whether the market is loud. When the market is quiet, the bands contract, and when the market is loud, the bands expand. Look at the chart below. The Bollinger Bands BB is a chart overlay indicator, meaning it's displayed over the price. Notice how when the price is quiet, the bands are close together. When the price moves up, the bands spread apart. The upper and lower bands measure volatility or the degree in the variation of prices over time. Because Bollinger Bands measure volatility, the bands adjust automatically to changing market conditions. Bollinger Bands are typically plotted as three lines. 1. A upper band, 2. A middle line, and 3. A lower band. The middle line of the indicator is a simple moving average, also known as SMA. Most charting programs default to a 20 period, which is fine for most traders, but you can experiment with different moving average lengths after you get a little experience applying Bollinger Bands. The upper and lower bands by default represent two standard deviations above and below the middle line, that is the moving average. The concept of standard deviation SD is just a measure of how spread out numbers are. If the upper and lower bands are one standard deviation, this means that about 68% of price moves have occurred recently or contained within these bands. If the upper and lower bands are two standard deviations, this means that about 95% of price moves have occurred recently or contained within these bands, as you can see in the images. The higher the value of ESD you use for the bands, the more price the bands capture. You can try out different standard deviations for the bands once you become more familiar with how they work. Note: if you really want to learn about the calculations of a Bollinger Bands, check out John's book Bollinger on Bollinger Bands, or check out our lovely Forexpedia page on Bollinger's Bands. That's all for today. Let's catch up in the next video with more interesting content. Until then, you take care. Bye-bye.